So I was just about to start cleaning and I was going to empty out the canister of my vacuum. I have to show you what I just did. I am so disappointed in myself. I just accidentally emptied the canister on the floor and it's made me sick, honestly. And yeah, this is what I'm dealing with right now. I gotta clean it up now. Yay! Hey y'all, good morning. Today is Easter Sunday, Resurrection Day, and I'm gonna be cleaning my apartment. Welcome to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. So yeah, that just happened and now I'm gonna have to clean it up. So I'm gonna be cleaning up that mess and then I'm gonna be cleaning my apartment today as well. So let's get right into it. Ain't nothing worse than just getting up to get some cleaning done and then something like this happens. I was holding it the wrong way when I opened the lid to empty it and it all just came out. However, I would like to say, thankfully this vacuum is pretty powerful and was able to pick it all up nicely. So I am pretty grateful for that. Okay, that sucked, but thank God this canister vacuum picked it all up. Now I'm gonna move on to doing the actual cleaning in the apartment. This was just a little mistake that was made today. Alright, so now I'm taking everything off of the couch and moving everything out of the way because I'm going to be moving all of the pieces of the couch so I can clean underneath them. The girls are always losing their toys under there and somehow litter is always getting underneath the pieces, so I'm going to be vacuuming and mopping under where the couch sits. It wasn't fair. It's over now. So don't despair. So I moved the pieces of my couch because I wanted to clean underneath. The last one I have to do is that one, but I'll have to do it the opposite way because the litter box is behind it. Found some of the girls' toys and yeah, there's just some cat hair and litter and stuff underneath there. So I'm gonna vacuum that up and mop under there too. There was so much litter and so many toys and so much cat hair under the couch pieces. It was ridiculous. But I'm so glad I decided to do this today. I do it every once in a while, but not very often just because I can't stand having to move all of the pieces because they are kind of heavy, but every time I do it I love it because it just feels so much cleaner in here. So even though it's time consuming and stresses me out just a little bit, it's totally worth it for the results. It's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade. So now I'm gonna vacuum the couch quick because there is so much cat hair on it and I cannot find my lint roller. You know, the one that I literally use for everything? I use that lint roller every day and somehow I've misplaced it. And I really need to find it because it works so good on everything. But for now I'm just gonna use the vacuum quick and vacuum it up and then I'm gonna be wiping the whole couch down. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. So after wiping the couch down, I wiped all the front and sides of it, and then I also wiped the back side of it off camera. And now I'm going to be wiping off the top of the TV table quick and wiping off Grandpa's table and then vacuuming this rug over here in this area. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. So now I'm going to be vacuuming behind the couch where the litter box is, and I'm also going to be mopping back here as well. And after that, I'm going to put everything back in its place on the couch and move on to vacuuming and mopping some other areas.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So on this side of the couch here is where Alan keeps his go-kart. We had it in here for a while when he first got it, and then this winter when it got too cold to ride, we put it out on the balcony, and then we moved it back in because of all of the pollen. The go-kart was getting covered in pollen, so we moved it back inside, and it's starting to drive me nuts sitting in here every day, but we really don't have anywhere else to put it, so I guess it'll just have to sit here for now. So now I'm spraying my couch down with the Dossier Floral Marshmallow. This stuff is delicious, y'all. It's to die for. If you like sweet marshmallow scents, get this one because it smells absolutely delicious and very marshmallowy. So I sprayed the couch down and the pillows and the rest of the apartment too, and then I vacuumed the rug over here in this area, and then I'm going to be wiping down the bookshelf and then moving on to the kitchen.
Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die.
In the kitchen, I'm starting off by unloading the dishwasher so I can reload it with the dishes that I have sitting in the sink, and then I'm going to be wiping off the countertops. I'm also putting some eggs on to boil because for breakfast I'm making myself an egg salad taco on a corn tortilla with just salt and pepper and half of an avocado that I wanted to use up before it was too far gone, because that avocado looked like it was about to take its last breath, and you're going to see it in just a bit. It looks really bad, but it still tasted good, so that's all that matters, right? Anyway, so now I'm wiping off all of my countertops and all of that stuff. I'm also going to be wiping off the front of my dishwasher and the icebox too, and then I'm going to let my little robot vacuum mop the floor in here because at this point I was getting pooped out.
If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
clean my bathroom quick, I'm starting off with the mirror, and I used my foam glass cleaner and I sprayed 3 crosses on the mirror in remembrance of what Jesus did for us and the 2 other guys, of course. And then I wiped it off and moved on to cleaning the bathroom counter and the sink, and I let the robot vacuum mop in here as well because I wasn't feeling it today. And I also wiped the toilet down good, but I didn't film that because I know y'all don't want to see me scrubbing the toilet.
The gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me.
Also, say hi to Cookie and Cannoli because they wanted to wish y'all a happy Easter. So now I'm prepping the steaks, then I'm going to put them in the icebox till we're ready to cook. I season them with garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and also paprika. After that, I took a shower and got ready for the day. Well, somewhat anyway.
Parts of you, hand in hand is how we sleep every night. And I will watch you.
Okay, I gotta be honest with y'all, we are having the laziest day ever. I was in my pajamas, I was in the closet, I was looking for something to wear, and I'm like, you know what, it's almost 6 o'clock, why are you worried about clothes? So I put on a house coat instead. I've had this heatless curler in my hair for a long time. I was kind of just so comfortable, I just forgot about it, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. We haven't ate or anything yet. Well, Alan had some leftovers earlier, and then I had breakfast. I already showed y'all, but we haven't cooked anything yet. We're just making some steaks with some sides. I don't know what to do about clothes. I actually got really burnt the other day when we were sitting outside, so I've been like really picky about what I'm wearing lately. My chest got it really bad, and then my legs have been the worst. Like, it hurts to even walk. So yeah, that's why I was kind of torn on what to wear. But yeah. My hair smells good. Anyways, I guess I'll put some kind of clothes on and then show you my whole look. I don't even know what I'm putting clothes on for. Let's just show the hair now.
So beautiful, I can hear you within the silence. Ooh.
This is it, folks. This is the outfit of the day that I've chosen for Easter Sunday. While everybody else is all fixed up in their ball gowns and their fancy outfits. Hold on, you're gonna be jealous. Here I am. Got these pants on. They got pockets. They are blue, so they kind of go with the whole Easter theme. They got white stripes. The stripes represent Jesus, and the white represents being white as snow. I'm just kidding. This is an Amazon outfit though. I got it a long time ago. I've worn it a million times, but I just didn't feel like putting clothes on. I just didn't. It was either this, actual pajamas, or my house coat for the rest of the day. So we settled for this. And Miss Cookie wants to say Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter, my girl. Happy Easter. Anyways, I am going to put some earrings in, and I am going to put some perfume on. And I also wanted to show you guys the rest of my dossier haul. I never got to show you the other day, so I'm actually going to get on that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just went and got my dossier perfumes. I want to show you what I got. I actually got these like a week ago, and I had showed y'all that they had the new big bottles in, which is amazing. Not that the smaller bottles aren't enough, because they are, but hello. That is such a huge difference. So I only got one of the new big sizes. The rest I got in the smaller sizes. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So the first one I have here, I already showed you guys the other day. This is the one I've been raving about for months now. And if you haven't got it, I don't know what you're waiting for. This stuff is amazing. It's the Ambery Saffron, and it's a Baccarat dupe. And I can honestly say this smells just like the Baccarat. Might even be a little bit better. Not kidding. Get it. It's the Ambery Saffron. Okay, so next up we got the Woody Green Apple, which we already own. But Alan's obsessed with it. It smells like the Paco Rabanne 1 Million. It is one of the best smelling colognes I've ever smelled from Dossier or just out of any colognes. This one is really good. The scent notes are apple, grapefruit, and mint, lavender, rose, and cinnamon, cedarwood, patchouli, and amberwood. Delightful. Very sexy. Okay, so this one was actually another repurchase. It's the floral lavender. I've probably had 3 or 4 bottles of this. I love this stuff. I love it on myself. Alan uses it sometimes because it smells amazing on him, but I also love using it in my home. This one is inspired by the YSL Libre, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I've never smelled that perfume before, and honestly I don't care to because this one is top notch. It's one of my favorites from Dossier. Try it. Floral lavender. You will not regret it. The notes are mandarin, neroli, and black currant, jasmine, lavender, orange blossom, vanilla, amber, and musk. All right, so this is actually a new one that I haven't had before, and this is the floral sandalwood. I don't know how to pronounce what this is. Oh my gosh. The notes are pear, tangerine flower, violet, amorous, orris, jasmine, vetiver, musk, amber, and sandalwood. This one actually smells really good. This one is a little bit spicy, so it's like floral and spicy, but it smells really good, but I've never smelled the original of this. But today I'm wearing the floral lavender because I haven't had it in a while. Oh my gosh. I forgot how good this smells. So good. So good. So feminine. Feminine. It's got the lavender. It's got a little fruit. A little vanilla. Such a good mixture. Smells amazing. But yeah, so that is my new Dossier haul. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good. I love it. It was like in the 80s today and sunny and beautiful outside, but we haven't even left the apartment. We've been so lazy, like literally. Aside from the cleaning today, I've had a really lazy day, but I'm gonna go put these up and find my phone and I'll check it in a little bit. So now it's later in the day and we are ready to eat. So I'm getting my cucumber and tomato salad ready. It's pretty much just the mini cucumbers and Roma tomatoes. Then I add in salt and pepper, garlic powder and onion powder, balsamic vinegar and olive oil. And I just add and mix and taste until it tastes the way we like it.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
In the meantime, I've got my cast iron skillet heating up, and I'm also going to be making this macaroni and cheese today.
Let up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
Everything is done now, and these are our plates. I got the steak all cut up already for me and my mans, and we're about to feast. Okay, so now we are done eating. Well, I am anyway, because I am literally the world's fastest eater. Alan was still eating, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the kitchen now, because I am done with this day and I just want to relax and spend the rest of my Easter being lazy. It really didn't feel like Easter today, to me anyway. I don't know if y'all felt the same way. It just felt different. All holidays have been starting to feel different, and I don't know why. Well, anyways, love y'all. Hope you had a blessed day. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.